Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. I will let the project file link in my description below. You can check it from there. So guys, firstly let's create a text for our animation. For that you can just click to here or press Ctrl T for that. And let's just click to here and write our text. For example, I'm gonna write hello. And let's select this text and let's change the size a little bit like this. And let's change the color. I'm gonna use this color like this and click OK. Now go back to selection tool and let's move it to somewhere like this and hold Ctrl, double click to pan behind to move the anchor point to the center. And then go to align and let's move it to the center like this. Now select this text and let's open the settings and open the text. From here go to animate and let's click to position. Now you're gonna see the position here so you can move it however you want. And then let's go to rectangle tool to make a mask for our text. And let's select our text like this. And from here you're gonna see the mask section, but make sure it's not inverted. And now we can start to animate it. And let's go to first, second. And now let's create a position keyframe and let's move the text to the down so it will be invisible. And then go to 10 keyframe with holding shift and page down and change this amount to 0. Let's see. Okay, nice. Now select keyframes and make them easy. And go to graph editor. Let's zoom the graph. And select this part and let's move it to the left to make a smooth animation. Let's see. Okay, it's kind of fast, so select the last keyframe and let's move it to somewhere like this. Let's see now. Okay, nice. This one is smooth. Now let's close this text settings and let's move this text to the right somewhere like this. Now go back to the beginning and let's go to the pen tool and let's change the stroke color, but make sure you have turned off the fill. If you want to turn it off, just click to here and click to none and then click OK. Now let's change the stroke color. Actually, I'm gonna use the same color as my text. And let's just click to here and select our color code and press Ctrl C and come back to stroke color and press Ctrl V to paste our color code and then click OK. Now let's enable the title action save so we can see the center of our composition. For that, just go here and let's enable the title action save. Now let's make one line to here and now we can start to animate it. Let's make one line to here like this and another one to here like this and one to here, and then let's move it to the center like this. Nice. Now let's go here and click to fit up so we can see it. Now select the shape layer and let's open the settings. Let's click to add and let's add trim paths. And then let's open the trim path settings and let's add the end keyframe and change it to 0. Now let's go somewhere to here and change it 100. And go here somewhere like this, make a start keyframe and go somewhere like this. Let's make it 100. Select keyframes, make them easy and go to graph editor. Let's select this part and move it to the left and then select the left part. Let's move them to the center to make a smooth animation. But as you can see, it's not visible in our animation. So to fix that, we will use null object. But first let's turn off this title action save because we will not use it anymore. Let's do it from here. Okay, nice. Now select the shape layer. Let's rename it to line and press U so we can see the only keyframes. And right mouse here, go to new and let's create a new null object. And hold Ctrl, double click to here to move the anchor point to the center. Let's move this null object to the center. And let's rename it to controller. Now select this line and let's link it to controller. Select the controller, press P, make position keyframe. Let's go something like this and so we can see our line. Okay, nice. As you can see, it's here. Now select keyframes, make them easy and go to graph editor. Let's make it like this as well. Okay, let's see. Nice, but as you can see, it's not visible on here. So to fix that, let's select these keyframes and move them to the right a little bit. Let's see. Okay, we can move them to the right a little bit more. Let's see now. Okay, nice. Also select this text and press U so we can see the keyframes and move it to the right. And as you can see, the line is not finishing on the middle. So in my animation, I want the line to finish somewhere like this. So to fix that, select the line and go to the pen tool. And let's select this line. Let's zoom a little bit and move it to here. Like this. Nice. And select the text. Let's move it a little bit to the right. Let's select the line again and move it like this. Nice. Let's see again. Okay, we can move it a little bit to the right again. Let's see. Okay, nice. Also, as you can see, the line is not smooth. So there is an option to fix that. Let's close this line option and open again, and then go to shape 1, open the stroke 1, and change the line cap from butt cap to round cap. So as you can see, it's better now. Let's close the settings and let's preview it again. Okay, nice. Also, let's add some particles. For that, I'm gonna use Animation Composer 3. If you don't have Animation Composer 3, you can check my description below. I have a video how to get it. Let's open the starter precomps and open the shape elements, and let's go to down and select the particle fireworks. Let's click to add. And from here, we can select this color and let's make it a little bit light. Okay, this is good, and let's select this color code and copy it and press OK and paste for all the colors. And let's close this window and select these particles. Let's see. Okay, we can move it a little bit to the left. Okay, nice. And a little bit to the down. Also select this particle and let's move it to behind this text layer. Let's see. Okay, actually let's change the color of this particle. You can change it one by one as well, but there is a shortcut to change all the colors. For that I'm going to use fill effect. Go to effects presets and let's search for fill. And let's add it on this composition. Let's select this color and make it a little bit more light. Let's see now. Okay, also select this particle and press S. Let's change the scale of it a little bit. Let's see here. Let's make it 140. Okay, nice. And go to here, press N. Let's see the full project again. Okay, nice. But I think we can change the timing of this text. For that, just select the text and particle. Let's move it to the right a little bit. And a little bit more. Okay, nice. I think this is good. Let's check it. Okay, nice. This one is better. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.